In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the price in Shopify with this comprehensive 2025 updated tutorial. Whether you're prepping for a special promotion or you just want to build a bit of mystery around your products, learning how to hide prices can be a valuable tool for your online store. So let's dive into the step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify account and access your store. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the My Store or Home section. This is where you have an overview of all your store activities. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary permissions to make changes to the store's themes. Next, once you are in the main area of your Shopify dashboard, you need to locate the Theme section. Click on Customize to start making adjustments to your active theme. Customizing your theme is a crucial step, as it directly affects how your store looks and behaves. This will open up the theme editor where you can see a live preview of your store and make various changes. Once inside the theme customization editor, look for the section titled Browse Our Latest Products. This is typically where your featured products are displayed to your customers. Clicking here will allow you to see your products and their respective details. Now we're getting closer. Find and select a specific product, in this case, an example shirt, featured in your product list. This will bring up the detailed view of the product, where you can see the name, images, descriptions, and of course, the price. On this page, locate where the price is displayed for the product. Once you click on the price, it should allow you to access additional settings or customization options related to that element. Make sure to be thorough here. If there are multiple variants, ensure you're selecting the main price area. The final touch involves adjusting the appearance of the price through the Highlight option. By clicking on Highlight, you have the opportunity to de-emphasize or effectively hide the price from your customer's view. Depending on your theme's capabilities, this might involve changing visibility settings or utilizing theme-specific features to hide it entirely. And there you have it. Your pricing is now hidden, allowing you to control when and how you reveal this information to your customers. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your store to ensure everything looks just right. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to customize your Shopify store exactly how you envision. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, happy selling!